Hey guys, we are at Target. I'm with Gigi. She goes, don't get me on camera. I'm like, here. Scared because this is the first time, this is like in California today, they lifted the mask mandate if you're vaccinated, and obviously I'm vaccinated. So we're about to go in without a mask, and I'm like really stressed. I'm like, I don't want people to look at me funny, but we saw somebody come out without a mask, and we're gonna get some stuff for the Vegas trip. You know I'm vlogging Vegas.
Are you really?
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. We should do a truth or drink.
I'm so down.
We're doing it. Back. Basically, the whole reason I went to Target is to get this. Also, let's debrief this no mask situation. So we went to Target and I didn't wear a mask. Felt very uncomfy. Like everyone was judging me. Went to Ulta after and I just could not take the judgment, so I strictly put my mask on in Ulta. I'm just very self-conscious and think everyone is staring at me, so the mask is gonna stay on for a little while longer. But yeah, I'm currently organizing all my stuff because I finally got an organizer from Target. Very excited about this endeavor. This is basically me pulling out all the makeup and really seeing what I have. Like I have this beautiful powder and I've never used it. So I want to be able to see like everything that I have, you know what I mean? So that's basically what we're doing right now. Hi. Okay, Adi called me, but let's do a little quick Target haul before I continue this organization. I got this like bin thing and I literally already put all my makeup in it. I'll show you guys after. And then I got some organizers that are already in there. And then I got sunscreen for this weekend. I got Sunbum 50. I got the spray because no one's got time to rub it in. Okay, and then I got some razor heads for my shaver. Flamingo is the brand. Spray deodorant. Not sure how good this is for you, but I was limited to these little travel sizes because I didn't want to bring a portable soaps because I cannot be messing with hotel bars or anything, and like I'm obviously staying with other people and I just need my own little body wash because that's just how I am. I get these every time I go on vacation, guys. From Ulta, yes, from Ulta. I got a new brush. This is the wet brush. This is what I use normally, but I got a different barrel. It's more durable. It's like a silicone wrapping, and mine is plastic and it just snaps, and that's why I need a new one anyways. It's a little small, but I think it'll be fine. The Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. I feel like this is gonna be really good for summer. I heard really good things. I'm gonna try it, see if it's even my color. I got light medium. Might be a little too dark, but I can return within 60 days. And then let me show you guys these drawers we have going here. So the top one is obviously all my lip products. So we have all these lip products that I haven't tried yet. And then this is a bunch of mixtures of lip glosses from Lancome for the semi-PR, and some other lip glosses that I haven't used yet either, because I forgot that I had them. And then we have all these face products. So we have some setting sprays that I've been using. This is like a refill of my tinted oil. I have like 2 refills of those. My primer refill, some sunscreen, travel size sunscreens, some extra blending sponges just in case like I need a new one. I'm gonna just keep those here. These are all clean, fresh ones. And then I have just like a few products. These will probably stack up when I get some more makeup. And then these are just old products that I've used and just I'm gonna keep in here because they haven't expired yet, I think. And then in here, these are the eye drawers. So they have all my palettes. We have all these eye products I haven't used yet. There's like brow products. I don't really branch out on my brows, but I definitely have to use these. These are all mascaras. I go through mascaras like crazy. So these are just like all my extras. Some brow products from L'Oreal from the PR you guys saw. I'm probably gonna give those to some of my friends because not all of it's my color. Just need to figure that out. Cleaner and just some other products. And then on here, I just kind of used an extra organizer for like some face products I use every day. And then I have my normal setup. I'm gonna change this rack because as you can see, it's like leaning. It's like literally leaning. that is so messy. I also need to figure out what I'm packing. So that's the next step. I had a coffee today and I'm feeling not the best. I knew this would happen, but it was just in the fridge, like this little can of coffee, and I've had it before and I honestly was fine. But now it's just making me feel not good, and that's how I am with coffee. It's like a hit or miss ordeal. Just a quick update. We have the makeup over here, easy access when I'm over there. And then the new clothing rack, it's looking a little lopsided. I'm not sure why. Finally, it's like livable in here. Oh my God, I forgot. I have more stuff downstairs to put away and I have no hangers. So I'm gonna have to buy some hangers right now. Hopefully they'll come. Now it is time. I just showered and I have my blue light glasses on. And now I'm going to schedule my outfits. So what I like to do every time I go for a trip, literally, if I don't have my iPad, I'll do it like if I don't have my iPad, like if I'm in bed and I'm just thinking about it, I will do everything on my notes app. But since I have my iPad today, we are going to plan it out. So what I like to do first, so we have our paper, we're gonna do black. This is the app GoodNotes. So this is, you could do this on paper, like sometimes I like to do this on paper, but today we're just gonna do it on my iPad for demonstration purposes. Thursday to Monday, kind of a long time. We'll go through it. Thursday I'm just gonna be there basically for like day, like comfy outfit kind of vibes. And then Friday is when the fun happens. And then we have to section her off. So we have Friday day, and then we have Saturday, same sections. Okay. And then Monday is I'm driving home. So this is kind of like how I section it. So like I write down like all the fits, and then I'll do like extra outfits, and then I'll just like list a few, and then I'll do extras. Bring sweatpants, and it's not like in my list, or if I want to bring like a sweatshirt or my pajamas, obviously like aren't like my outfits, I'll write that here in this like extra section. Is I'll go through Pinterest and see like what outfits I'm vibing with. My Pinterest has been like just nails recently because that's literally all I've been looking at. So I'll just see like what fits I think could be like good for the trip I'm on. I'll see this and kind of like take inspo. Yeah, this one's just a little trickier because the weather is going to be scorching hot, so I want to be cute but also comfortable. And if you guys know me, you know like my arms are a big insecurity of mine, and I always need like a little sweater over. I don't know if that's gonna be possible this trip because it's going to be so hot. But I'm gonna put on some vlogs and just chill and figure out what I'm gonna be wearing. We're back. I'm taking my chocolate vitamins. They're so good. I honestly just eat them because they taste so yummy. But they're actually vitamins. Today is the day before I leave for my trip. So that means I have to pack. And this is easily my least favorite part about going somewhere. Actually trying on the clothes I wrote down to see if it looks good. Some stuff I already know what it looks like, but I don't know what it'll look like together with another part. Okay, Thursday, I'm driving there. And then I have like a little day outfit, just be chill. So we'll just pack her first, I'm thinking. Crossing it off. So I have these white like mom style shorts, really. So I'm thinking with this shirt, I don't know how to tie these. Okay, we're just gonna have to try it on. This tie situation is just looking slightly odd for me. Okay, I think I'm gonna pack this, but also have another option. Like from the back, it looks so cute, right? So I'm gonna just bring tops to be safe, so. And then nighttime, I have a green mini dress, so let's try her on. I feel like this is so cute. This is, I think, a beginning boutique dress. It's perfect, look at the back. It's gonna be so good for going out. This will definitely be a nighttime outfit, like going out. We're watching like some performances. So that's where I'll wear this dress. And then I want to try on, I might wear this for like dinner and nighttime, but I want to try on something else just to bring a cake. I think this could be cool for dinner or even like at night, like going out. It might be a little hot for the weather, but I really like it. I feel really like confident in it, and I think I just look like really cool. I don't know. Okay, I'll probably still bring this for like maybe like a breakfast moment, but I think I'm going to overheat in this if we are outdoors for longer than 20 minutes. Okay, I hauled this from Princess Polly. It's like a tie-dye top. I feel like could be cute. I don't know. It's gonna be so hot. Like, do I wear pants? But I just feel comfortable in pants. I feel like this could still be cute with some sneakers. Like, obviously I wouldn't wear this tank top under, but what do you think? I'm like breaking out, and it's so annoying because my skin was doing so good. All of a sudden, when I'm going on a hot girl trip, so right now we are going to self-tan. There has to be like a tool or something that is invented where if you have nails, it helps you take off these little tiny things. So basically I'm using the Owl Paradise Mint, and then the spray form, I put it in here, like the mist or whatever, and this is just the easiest way to do it for me. Just gotta let this set, but I sprayed my face and I probably shouldn't have because I'm breaking out. And now I wanna like wipe it off. I am going to do my eyebrows. So what I'm doing is I'm just like brushing up my eyebrows. I cleaned my necklace, got all the hair out of it, and this knot that I have not been able to get out in so long. And I still can't get my necklace back on. It's stressing me out. But at least I cleaned it, right? What I like to do is I have these like face shavers, so I'm gonna like shave my mustache. This is probably like so bad to do. Like, I feel like you're gonna comment and be like, that's not good to shave. But these are like cement for facial hair, so I think it's fine. I have darker peach fuzz, I feel like, than the normal, and it's really annoying because it makes me so insecure. Next, we're going to pluck. My least favorite thing about being a girl is plucking eyebrows. I'm so bad at it. I literally cry and I can't even like continue. So we're just gonna pluck and see how it goes. These are the best eyebrow plucks because it's like a scissor, so it's so easy. I don't like understand how people use the ones that aren't like this because those are so much harder to like grab. Now is about the time that I just don't even try and I just go into my shaver. Ah! Ow. Hey, Noah, you're vibing.
I really am, bro.
So, story time, I'm really upset because where we're going is like really, it's like, I don't know why places are like this, but when you go to like a club or like stuff like that, they're really weird about like boys, and if you're a boy, you basically have to pay so much money to get in, and if you're a girl, you get right in for free basically. So obviously you guys know my best friend Jesse is a boy, and he's always like the only boy, so there's like 5 of us girls, and then it was gonna be him, but now he can't come because the person who's like bringing us to all these events is saying if he comes he has to pay $200 entry, and he obviously doesn't want to do that because we're doing like different, like 4 different shows, and it's just like, it's just too much money for that when we're all having like, and then we would all split it obviously, but like no one really wants to pay more right now because they already paid for the hotel, and then we're gonna pay for food. And it's just such a bummer because now he can't come, and I was really looking forward to having him there, obviously. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna end this video here because there's not really more else I need to do. I might do a face mask, I don't know, because I also need to tan my face, and I just don't know if that's good to tan my face and do a face mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed like me kind of like how I prepped for like a trip. I got my nails done, not for the trip, just because I had to get my nails done, but I guess like they're suited for the trip because they're pretty fresh. And then normally I would get my toes done, but I just don't want to. I hope I helped you, maybe gave you some tips and tricks. Gotta just pack up my makeup and just gonna like chill because I have to drive early in the morning. But follow me on Instagram to follow along my trip. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.